Hello, welcome in. What's your name?
Jasmin.
Bello, regardez, et pas son patron là.
Jasmine, how old are you?
I'm 24.
24, and what do you do?
Manger garçon.
I want to go skydiving. I just like to try adventurous stuff.
Faut les blonds gain.
I've been out here for like 2 years, so I like to try new restaurants.
17 encore, petit grand goût.
My name's Connor, I'm 27.
Ou mal parti.
Your forehead a little too big. I'm a firm believer on don't judge a book by its cover.
Jasmine, why did we end up popping his balloon?
Pas commencer trembler là, non, reste en place.
Zami pam, ou même ami quoi assemble démarrer ça.
His hair too.
What about you, the AZ from Kansas?
Okay. All right. Is it going to be a yes for you for him?
Yes.
Oh my God! Wow!
And is it going to be a yes for you for her?
Absolutely.
We got